Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again in a minute. So, I think some of YouTubers do this. It's a lollipop girl challenge. You have already, I buy already lollipop already. Oh, just kidding. Just kidding. So, the challenge will be inside. So, let's see. So, we're inside the house. So, this should be should come over here. Over there. Can here. What we're going to the challenge is, can I wrap this? Can I unwrap this? Already. It's black. Chocolate. What are we going to do? I'm going to do this. And I'm going to do that. No, it's okay. Get it. 1, 2, 3. Yummy. Carol, do it feel? I saw her video. It was so simple. I'm trying what to do. Hope you guys like my channel, my videos. Please leave a like, comment, and share it to anyone and subscribe me. So I will just say bye bye. See you next.